Right guys, working on this. It's a Worcester-Bosch. Worcester-Bosch. Right. The customer saying he's got hot water, but the heating isn't working. They're gonna guarantee on it. Obviously they haven't serviced it, so the guarantee is void. Or it's probably sort of 5 years old in here. So maybe there is no guarantee on it. So let's take the eco off. The eco on.
There you go, sir.
So guys, the actuator, I gotta take that out here. Now I've got a choice. Either I take the automatic air relief out and will it come out through this little gap, or should I take the bypass out? And which one is easier? I think I'm better off taking the bypass out. Yeah, if I take the bypass, well sorry, it's not the bypass, I do apologize. It goes to the expansion vessel. Okay, so I think I got a better option with that than the automatic air relief. Man, it's already been. So I've drained some water out of it. In good state of that. No wonder the thing's all clogged up, man. Right guys, I got the actuator out. I hope it's not exactly the same as the Biasi one, because this baby is 10 times more expensive than the Biasi one. Right. Okay, there's no screw on it. Anyway, I don't want to bore you with guys. Right, this is how I got it out. You know that's from here, okay? Disconnect it from there and disconnect it and it come out. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go there and see if the anyway, it's gonna be right back. Right guys, on this one the diverter valve at the back wasn't working, which is this baby here. Can you see that right at the back? Now it's the first time I'm working on this as well. Now to get to that, you know this loopy clip here, that comes out, that pulls out, and then it flips open, the actuator comes out, yeah? Now you can't get it out from there, because can you see you got a PRV and you got these pipes in front. Phone with the technical, they say you're gonna have to take the whole monoblock out to get to it. Nah, you don't have to. See this clip here? This one here? You can see? All you gotta do is pull that out, drain the system down before you do that, guys. And the power off. Do all your safety checks before you do that. Take the clip off, that goes up. Unscrew that. Once it's drained down, this pipe goes up, then you can take the actuator out. Once it's out, oops, sorry, oops. Once it's out, you got heating and hot water. Okay, last time they came, I think they had hot water but no heating. So now, yeah man, we got it all going. By the way guys, see that there? That's on a siphon flow. You can bypass it, but I can't be bothered, man. Just leave it, you know, let it do its thing. No leaks, nothing, and it's all working. So it's just going to be in siphon fuel for about 10 minutes and it'll be back to normal. The pipes are warming up, so but then I'll just pack up. It's nice. Hi guys, just repaired this boiler, the diverter valve when it was gone. It was a first time repair. I've never worked on these boilers before. They're new boilers, new design, so I had to figure a lot of things out. So luckily I didn't come across any hurdles. It was done in about half an hour, 45 minutes. It's all done okay now. The central heating is working and the hot water is working. And hopefully this gentleman's going to give me a kind review. That'd be great of him. Right. Yeah.
Fantastic. He did my boiler in a couple of hours and got everything sorted. Brilliant guy. Thank you.
Thank you. So till next time guys, Birmingham Boiler Fix.
You got to clean it.
Yeah, bro, it's again moved quite a few pipes out to get to it. But it's easy, bro. This one. I don't feel good about this one at all, bro.